Hey everyone, my name is Alok Gupta. I'm the co-founder and CEO of AutoReel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add branding to your videos. Now, if you haven't already, I recommend you watch our first video on how to create property videos with AutoReel and then jump back in here for a focus video on branding. Let's go ahead and dive in. I'm going to move faster to the earlier parts so we can focus on branding. Let's go ahead and create a new project. Now, I'm going to import my photos. I'm going to go ahead and select my photos to use for the video. Once my photos are selected, I'm going to go ahead and review the photos that I've selected and make sure configuration is good. Review video settings, and you want to make sure that create blended video is checked. Let's go ahead and proceed to branding. Now, let's apply branding. You can apply templates, music, or voiceovers and avatars. In templates, you can look at intro and outro styles, but we'll go ahead and start with the intro template style. Clicking on select template, we have a variety of intro templates to select from. Now in this case, I'll select the open house template, but of course I can truly make this my own. For example, this could be a just closed, and I can modify this text any way I'd like. However, I like the address of the home. Within outros, looking at the templates, we have a few classic outro templates that you can use. The classic white, classic dark, or even the duo. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select the classic, which allows me to see what it looks like here with my brand kit automatically applied. Now, if I want, I can create a new brand kit by adding my information such as name, email, phone number, and profile and brand logos, or I can apply an existing brand kit that already exists and it'll automatically fill out this text. And then I can go ahead and add more text here and really make it my own. This looks pretty good to me. Now with the music, I can look at tracks that I have, whether it's built into AutoReel or those I've uploaded here directly myself. I can upload more here or just select and preview some of the tracks that we provide here in AutoReel, all royalty free. In this case, I'm going to stick with that one. Now moving to voiceover and avatar, I can take a look at the different voiceovers that are available, either from my library of voices that AutoReel provides or my own cloned voice that we have here as well.
Welcome to your dream home.
Now selecting that, click confirm, and that's going to use my voice for the narration on top, and then I'll generate script, which has property facts and information since I imported this from Zillow. Otherwise, you can add any more context that you want here, click confirm, and this will generate the script for you. Just like that, the script is ready, and of course, I can modify this in any way that I would like here. Once I'm good with this script, I'll go ahead and render the branded video. Now, you'll see that the original video is being kicked off and the branded one will be here. And now the video is rendered with all of our branding and templates applied. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like.
Discover this stunning Franklin estate nestled on nearly 8 acres of tranquility.
That's how you quickly apply branding to your property videos in AutoReel in just minutes. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.